How to recover forgotten password in State Farm. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So have you forgotten your State Farm's password? Then don't worry, I'll show you how to recover it. Let's get started. You will need to open up your browser, go to statefarm.com and head over to login in the top right. So once you tap on login, you will need to tap on the option called trouble logging in. And once you're there, you need to tap on forgot password. And now you will need to put in your email address associated with your State Farm account and your date of birth and hit continue. Then statefarm.com will send you a link to recover your password or create a new password in your email address. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.